Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Notion template to sell. First, pinpoint a clear problem your template will solve for a specific group of people. This targeted approach ensures your product meets a real need. Next, thoroughly research existing templates to identify market gaps and unique selling points. Finally, concentrate on a niche where you possess genuine expertise or a strong passion, making your template creation more authentic and effective. Once your niche is defined, focus on designing a template that is both clean and intuitive. A visually appealing layout significantly enhances user experience. Integrate advanced Notion features, such as linked databases, automations, or custom formulas to boost functionality. Your template should offer clear, tangible benefits, saving users time or improving their productivity. Aim for a design that feels premium and delivers substantial value for its price. With your template ready, it is time to craft compelling marketing materials. High-quality screenshots and a clear, benefit-driven description are essential to attract buyers. Next, determine a fair pricing strategy that accurately reflects the template's value, complexity, and the time invested. Consider offering a free basic version or a tiered pricing model. Finally, choose a reliable platform, such as Gumroad or your personal website, for seamless distribution and payment processing. To maximize your template's reach, announce its launch across all relevant social media channels, like X or LinkedIn. Actively engage with Notion communities and online forums to connect directly with potential customers and gather feedback. Consider offering an early bird discount for the first 25 buyers or creating a bundle with complimentary templates to generate initial sales momentum. Consistent promotion is key to long-term success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.